Well, almost everyone agrees financial success can only happen for most people if they develop some short-term and long-term goals. An important part of this planning is knowing when and how to adjust those goals when life throws you those curveballs. Our financial expert Andy Manningly here now to discuss why and when you might need to reset those financial goals. We probably should do it a lot more than we think. So give us some of the reasons to reset those goals to begin with.
Well, a lot of times it's probably because something major has changed in your life. You've added to your family, maybe income has changed, you've changed jobs, or maybe just your priorities have changed, and so you need to relook at those goals and make sure that's where you want to end up.
So are there certain goals that should always be considered in these situations?
Yeah, really long-term goals. So like when you want to plan to retire, or maybe how much of your kids' education you plan to pay for, or how quickly you want to pay off debt. Those are usually longer-term goals. You should always reset those.
Well, what are the times that short-term goals might need to get some adjustment?
Well, maybe one of those times is when you have something like a really sudden loss of income or really a huge unexpected expense. So you need to look at some of those things, maybe your vacation plans or purchases, maybe get your situation stabilized before you move forward with those.
Somebody might be out there saying, okay, why is it important for me to reset goals anyway?
Well, because the goals really help you get to where you want to go, and you have certain things you need to do along. So if you don't reset those goals, you're going to keep doing the same thing, and then you're not going to end up where you want to be because you need to make those changes.
Yeah, you need the mile markers to see if
Exactly.
you're making progress.
Exactly.
So give us the best way to make these goals.
Well, one of the big things you can do is talk to an advisor if it's long-term goals, because a financial advisor can give you some input into things that you can do and get you there that maybe you won't see because you can step out of that situation.
And what would you say is the best way that we can reset those shorter term goals as well?
Well, I know that I say this all the time, but it's go back and look at your budget and see what things you need to change in your budget so you can change those daily activities to make those short-term changes you need to make.
All right. Well, I mean, if it's wisdom, it works, even if you have to tell us 100 times.
Okay.
Not to say you do. That's not a broken record yet here. Thanks, Andy.